Let's go inside. It's a small restaurant. Let's go! Pasok na tayo. Nandito na tayo. I really like the hush puppies. So I have boiled fish and shrimps, fried okra, lima beans, and they gave me a hush puppies. They're really good.